Hey everyone, today I will show you how to contact Instagram support. And here's how it is done. First, go to your Instagram profile. Tap on the three dots in the upper right corner and select Settings from the menu. Once you are in the settings, scroll down and look for the Help option. Tap on it and you will see four different options. Select the first one, which is Report a Problem. When you choose Report a Problem, Instagram will prepare a bug report for your session. You can then explain the issue you are experiencing, whether something isn't working or you are facing a problem with your account. You also have the option to include screenshots, videos, or photos from your gallery to better illustrate the issue. After submitting your report, Instagram's customer service will typically respond within 24 hours. That is everything you need to know about how to contact Instagram support. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.